Welcome to the state of Colorado, USA, in the heart of the famous Rocky Mountains. This video will provide the 10 best ski resorts in Colorado.
I was just a gamer back in 69. Thank you.
Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Colorado, USA, world-renowned for its skiing. This video will provide the 10 best ski resorts in Colorado. People love Vail Mountain Resort. When it comes to skiing in Colorado, Vail is the biggest name around. This is one of the largest resorts in the world and home to some of the best terrain in Colorado. The 7 back bowls are enough to occupy skiers for a whole season. This is if you manage to drag yourself off the long groomed runs which stretch along the front side overlooking the town of Vail. The extensive and varied terrain means the resort can easily accommodate all levels of skiers from beginners to experts. People love Aspen Snowmass. It is actually a combination of 4 ski areas around Aspen and Snowmass Village. The 4 mountains together, which consist of Snowmass, Aspen Mountain, Aspen Highlands, and Buttermilk, cover a massive amount of terrain, rivaling Vail in its sheer size. New improvements this ski season include the opening of a brand new high-speed quad chairlift. At the base area, you'll notice several new restaurants, infrastructure upgrades, and new shops. People love Telluride Ski Resort. In a remote setting in the San Juan Mountains, Telluride is one of the most scenic ski towns in the United States. Add to that top-end ski resort with incredible terrain, consistently good snowfall amounts, and it's no wonder Telluride has become such a popular resort destination. If you're looking to log a serious amount of vertical, this is one of the best places to ski in Colorado. People love Beaver Creek Resort. Owned by Vail Resort, Beaver Creek Resort lies just a short distance down the highway from Vail and only 2 hours from Denver. This resort is known for its high level of customer service, groomed runs, and friendly atmosphere. With over 1,800 acres of skiable terrain, this hill offers a full range of runs for all abilities, but it is one of the best ski resorts in Colorado for beginners. The resort does an exceptional amount of grooming, creating perfect conditions for new skiers. People love Breckenridge Ski Resort. It is the complete package, from groom runs through the trees to extraordinarily high alpine bowls that you can access with a lift. And with even a minimal amount of hiking off the Imperial Chairlift, you can find some outstanding terrain. The exposed bowls may look intimidating from a distance, but they offer unparalleled skiing opportunities for advanced skiers. This is the place to come for anyone looking to push their skill level beyond intermediate. People love Keystone Resort. It is spread out over 3 mountains, each taking you back farther and farther into the wilderness away from the resort. As a result, the deeper you go, often the less crowded the skiing becomes. This is a large resort with 20 lifts and terrain to suit every ability, making it perfect for families. For those looking for even more adventure, the resort offers cat skiing, providing access to a number of bowls. Keystone Resort also lays claim to Colorado's longest skiing day due to its nighttime skiing schedule. People love Purgatory Resort. Purgatory Mountain Resort, formerly known as Durango Mountain Resort, is primarily a family-oriented ski hill just outside of Durango in the San Juan Mountains. The terrain at Purgatory has traditionally been heavily skewed towards beginners and intermediate level skiers and boarders, but those with advanced skill levels have always been able to find places to challenge themselves. People love Steamboat Ski Resort. The resort is centered around Mount Warner, just outside Steamboat Springs. The mountain receives ample snow each year, averaging 334 inches annually. The resort has trademarked the term champagne powder snow, which refers to the dry, fluffy powder Steamboat is known for. With 2,965 acres, Steamboat is a big resort with plenty of terrain and is particularly well known for its fabulous tree skiing. People love Copper Mountain. Copper Mountain is a popular family-focused resort a little more than an hour's drive from Denver. As you are driving along Interstate 70 towards Vail, you can see the runs trailing down the mountainside. With 23 lifts spread across 2,465 acres, there is plenty of terrain for skiers and boarders to explore, and good carrying capacity. It is a decent mix of runs for all levels, including advanced skiers. People love Arapahoe Basin. Known more commonly as A Basin, Arapahoe has the distinct advantage of being high. Located on Loveland Pass, the summit elevation reaches 13,000 feet and the base elevation is 10,700 feet. This allows the resort to stay open into June and sometimes even later, well beyond the April closing date of the surrounding mountains. Arapahoe is one of the best places in Colorado for spring skiing. The ski resorts in this video are not all the ski resorts in Colorado. If you've got a ski resort you love in Colorado, pop it in the comments section. I'll make another video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Ciao for now!